Hi guys, happy new year. Thank you for tuning into this video. Today's video is an updated everyday, just a bit of a basic baddie look, because I had filmed 2 of these videos last year, but my method has changed. I use some new products, so for every time I change my routine, I'll film a new video. It's pretty easy to follow. My eyebrow routine has changed, so in due time I will be filming a new brow tutorial. Thanks for tuning into this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye. Lord, I'm just looking at my forehead thinking it's too big. Ew. To begin, I'll be using my L'Oreal True Match in Mahogany. If it's not Mahogany, I'll list the correct colour in the description box. Because of the lighting, the foundation looks really dark on me, but trust me, it's the correct colour. I'm just spraying my Dewy Finish setting spray by NYX. Now I'm going to highlight and contour with my Conceal and Define Concealers by Makeup Revolution. To highlight, I use C13 and C12 on top just to brighten up the C13 a bit. And to contour, I use C16. I never thought I'd see the day when I stopped using LA Girl, but Makeup Revolution came and just changed the game, and I'm sold. Too much of the lighter highlighter on my forehead, and don't forget between your brows. Do not forget between your brows. You can't just have the highlight on the nasal bridge starting from the middle of nowhere. Now with C16 to contour. A little goes a long way with this as well, before I forget to mention. Contour. To contour, I'll be using my Sleek Face Bond Kit in medium. I still use this. I meant to find an alternative product, but it's doing its job, so I'm going to stick by it. set my highlights, I'm going to use my Sacha Buttercup powder. I'm just buffing away that excess highlighting powder. See, I look a bit like a ghost, so I'm a bit paranoid. Gonna now go in with some bronzer just to add some more warmth to my face. I'm using the illuminated highlighter because it's quite brown, it looks like sand. I'm going to use this just to add a bit more warmth into my face because that Sacha Buttercup powder took a lot out of me. That's a bit better. And I don't wear eyeshadow on a daily basis, so with a brush that just has a little bit of whatever powder I may have used, I'll just press it on. So it's not like there's makeup on every part of my face other than my eyes. Because if you take pictures, I'm telling you, you'll look crazy. So yeah, this is me done in the eye area. And for my highlighter, I'm using my Inglot Sparkling Dust in shade number 2. Conceal could be a bit sharper, but God sees my heart. I'm going to use my KIKO Hydra gloss. It's pink and it has a bit of like shimmer in it. I think it's shade 17, but it rubbed out, so I'm not too sure. But if I'm not wearing the clear one, I'm wearing this one. Just line my lip with a brown lip liner. I don't normally wear eyelashes, don't need to, but for the sake of the look, I guess I'll slap some on. The lashes I'll be wearing are by Tease Lashes. I'll tag the link for them below in the description bar, and the name isn't on the box, but I feel like these are called Rude. Let me actually open them. They're really nice and fluffy and they're fanned out, and I think they are beautiful. Alright, so that is that. I am finished. I think it's so weird because I haven't got a weave to swish everywhere. Normally I'll be flicking my weave and doing all sorts, but I've just got a bun on my head. Thanks for tuning into this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. Happy New Year if I haven't already said that. And let me know what video you'd like to see next.